Toward the end of summer, a pilgrimage is made. From all over the country, brewers flock to the Yakima Valley.
I mean, Austin, Seattle, Portland, there's some back east, there's some Midwest, it's all over the country.
And the reason they're here? Hops.
What do you like about Washington hops?
They're amazing.
I mean, they grow, obviously, the majority of the hops in the country, and I think a lot of the best hops in the country.
It's such a great growing region, and there's so many growers. There's just some magic, about the soil and the hops that are produced here, so it's really a nice place.
It's around 3/4 of U.S. hop production that's produced here in the Yakima Valley.
Dr. Kayla Altendorf is a research geneticist with USDA Agricultural Research Service. The brewers visited her research plot in Prosser as part of their tour of the Yakima Valley.
The brewers come here to make their selections for the hops that they're going to purchase for the upcoming year. And that gets down to like the field level.
The cool part was going to meet these growers and farmers and seeing their passion, which is the same passion that, we have for beer and the brewers have when they're making the beer.
They come and make their selections, and that's like a pilgrimage that they do every year to this region.
And there's beer drinking involved for sure.
Oh yeah.
Dr. Altendorf's research is focused on hop quality. She and her team breed different strains of hops for various purposes.
We're trying to improve hops, develop new hop varieties, as well as improve the process of hop breeding. The best hop in my mind is resistant to powdery mildew, downy mildew, has really good agronomics, like yields well. But then honestly, we could develop a hop that has all of those things, but if the brewers don't find it interesting or it doesn't have a place in beer, it doesn't go anywhere. We actually put a lot of selection pressure on cone shape and size because it matters for commercial picking machines. Yeah. So we're looking for something that's of substantial size, but that doesn't just easily fall apart. We're always checking the color of the lupulin.
Is that the yellow part?
Yes, and that's where all the aroma and flavor comes from. But then of course we rub it together, smell it. This one's underripe, it smells like green pepper. Just kind of like greenish vegetables.
Yeah.
After a while, they start to get like that signature hop smell.
Yeah.
And then once they become overripe, they smell like onions and garlic.
Yeah.
So
really interesting crop.
The engagement that you see with hops, they want to know what we're doing. They care about the research. They support us. That makes it so much fun.